Hey, this is Farhad here. Welcome to Hackiliate. Yes, you're going to learn some legitimate hacking methods of affiliate marketing. So how it works? Like other people, I'll not show you any fake screenshot, no rented cars, no nude girls hanging with me, no luxurious lifestyle as a fake show up to blow your mind. But I will show you my real case studies and all the straightforward details. If you are still trying to figure out how to get your first sales promoting make money online offers, stop. There are three common steps to get success from an online business. Number one, a product, idea, or a service for selling. Number two, a website or a sales funnel. Number three, a way to sell your offer. Now, you may try it all things together, but still this result, huh? Now, let's talk to the point. Rather promoting how to make money online product, I usually promote SaaS offer, software as a service. I collect leads and give them free access to a membership page where I share some basic to advanced video of affiliate marketing. In order to do affiliate marketing, we need some tools, and I tell my subscribers to use ClickFunnels, GetResponse, QLiker tracking software inside my membership page. I make short videos explaining the software, how it works and why they need. Finally put my affiliate link under the video and bam! This is my result. Here you can see ClickFunnels, where I already made over 10k in affiliate commission. This is GetResponse and this is QLiker. Now what's the deal if you purchase Hackiliate? You will get a done for you funnel, done for your membership page for your subscribers, done for you follow-up emails, done for you design, done for you text and step-by-step video training to help you setting up everything. You will put your own affiliate link under the video inside the membership page, so any of your subscriber purchases, you get an affiliate commission. Also, you will learn my exact traffic methods to build your list, and you will be able to run this business within the first day. The most important thing is that you don't need any list, no website needed, no big ad budget for paid traffic. So if you are finally ready to stop purchasing any more BS and build a real online business to quit what you are currently doing, you are in the right place. You are going to get all the things to achieve your success. You will get a done for you setup and some untapped traffic methods, and believe me, if this really doesn't work for you, I offer you a 30-day full money back guarantee. Though my product is 100% solid, but I have to offer it because I want you to feel safe with me. And also the purchases is protected by Warrior Plus and PayPal, so don't worry about this and feel free to take action. Click the buy button below and get started now.